So now guys, the next term we have is the natural language processing, that is NLP. So it is a subset of AI. So in a very simple, we have understand what is AI. So you can say that NLP is the subset or a part of AI. So natural language processing means when any AI can understand our human language and responds according to that. For example, here you can see that right now we are in ChatGPT and we have asked one question to ChatGPT. Do androids dream of electric sheep? So now AI has understand our human question, okay, human language question, and it is giving response so that we humans can understand it. So this is what it is called as natural language processing, where computers or AI can understand what we say, and according to that they will going to give response in human way, okay, or in human language, so we can also understand what AI is talking about. And when we give question or command to AI, so AI can also understand what we are asking from AI, okay. So that is what it is called as natural language processing.